Right. So on their website, Visual Studio talks about a bunch of new features, some of which include improved collaboration, IntelliCode, and the version they have for Mac, which was there last year as well, but whatever. However, they don't talk about anything Unity, at least as far as I've seen. And the amazing new feature, as far as Visual Studio Unity, is Unity now compiles code in the background. And this is something I just noticed when I updated to Visual Studio 2019 using Unity 2018. I have no idea how it works with Visual Studio, rather with Unity 2017. So I imagine this is something that was already there for other engines. There are engines that have been using Visual Studio, I believe, longer than Unity. One of them would be Unreal Engine. But let's go ahead. Right now, what I'm doing is creating a new Unity project. And real quick, I'm just going to show you, this is what I have going on my computer. I have both Visual Studio 2017 and 2019 installed. And I'm just going to create the usual script, and when I open up the script right now, and I start editing, notice as I save right there in the background, Unity is compiling, and that's pretty cool, right? So if I was to just go ahead and edit some stuff right now, and then I'm gonna save, and I'm just going to go through my script and start checking, did I make a mistake here, did I mess up somewhere? And when I switch back to Unity, there you go. I mean, where is it? Why isn't it compiling? This sneaky bastard did it in the background. So yeah, I mean, this is something really cool. It's something I can save a lot of time, probably not on projects like this, but on some really big projects. This is amazing. And so, I mean, if you're working on a big project that's taking years to compile and it's slowing down, well, you might want to consider updating to Visual Studio 2019. Alright then, thanks for joining me, and hope you have a great time, and don't forget to, you know it.